get this frame off. Got to reuse it for the next slab. I'm gonna run the edger on it anyway. Just to kind of clip off those little flaky pieces. That was the easiest leveling I've done yet. Crazy. Makes a big difference when, like, you've got one well leveled spot. I mean, all these areas have been so kind of shabby, but I made sure to level this one better, and it's made a huge difference on leveling this side. It was just simple. I'll bring in the tractor and load those bags there into the tractor bucket. And then when I go get the next load of cement, it's all in the back of my truck. It'll be a little bit easier. I'm ready to get 50% done with my last quadrant of slabbing. Slabbing, it's not a word. We're ready to pour. Now we gotta get the tractor and the cement, and then we'll go. Short minutes for a new slab to be poured.